Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to style a wig to do Impa from The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time. This wig is an arrow sleece front from Epic Cosplay Wigs. So first I'm going to put a sewing pin and pin my wig to the top so it doesn't fall off. And as you can see, I'm cutting it down to where my wig head is, but a little longer. I know you can't see it on camera. I thought I had it in frame. Next, I'll be sectioning out the hair so I know where I want the hair for the sideburns. And to make it easier, I'm going to cut the sideburns and work on them later. First, I'm going to brush out the wig so it's nice and neat. I mean, of course. And before I put it into a ponytail, I'm going to do this trick that will really help you keep your real hair from showing since this is a ponytail wig. So I'm taking the bottom wefts and sectioning them out. And this is going to be the hair sticking out of the ponytail later. So now that I evenly cut the wig, I'm gonna put it into a ponytail, and you want it to be like a pretty high ponytail, not super high, but you don't want it to be super low. You want it to look like it has effort, for lack of a better phrase. So here I am putting the wig into a ponytail, kind of high. It's kind of a low ponytail, but it's not so low. It's kind of high, kind of. Again, you can't see me cutting the hairs off camera, out of frame. But you want the bottom hairs to look like Link's hair coming out, like in Breath of the Wild, for example. So I'm going to cut it like that. And the way I like to imagine it is like when you're cutting a corner off a piece of paper. That's the way I see it when I shape the wig like that. And I'm just cutting off extra hair off the ponytail just so the hair is nice and even. I know I'm not cutting it like I should be, but this was a lot of hair, and it was like really difficult to like really do it correctly, cutting it. So what I'm about to do next is a bit unconventional for wig styling, but I'm going to use the Aleene's premium quality original tacky glue. You could get it at Michael's or Joann's. And what I'm going to do is that I put the glue on my finger and put it through the wig hairs to make these sideburns for my Impa wig. Just so I want to have sideburns for my Impa wig so my real hair isn't showing through the wig. And also you'll just have an easier time, especially with wig tape. So here I am sectioning it out again. And if nothing, if it's not working for you, you could like get a hair clip, and what the hair clip will do is keep all the hairs together until it's dry and keep it from being parted. When I tried this wig on, as I'm editing this, I made the sideburn too long, so I'm going to show you how to cut it later, just to make it a little shorter, so it's realistically a female sideburn. Now finally, it's time to section out the bangs, and not only that, I'm going to put tacky glue on my fingers again. And I'm going to put the glue through the wig hairs so I have a more accurate bangs as Impa. This was really stupid, but for some reason, when I first styled the wig, I thought I didn't need to do this. I thought it would look fine, but little did I know that lace fronts are different than non-lace front wigs. So yeah, just do this, and also make sure the hair is sticking up, and it helps that this is an Eros lace front. Now I'm going to give some time for the glue to dry, and I guess I'll be back in a jump cut, cutaway. So now the glue on the wig is all dry, and I'm going to make the sideburns shorter so they don't look too ridiculous, so they're more realistic sideburns. And again, use the tacky glue to make those points, just like female sideburns. For some cutting off any excess hair that might have gotten caught in the glue. And finally, the last thing you're going to do is cut the bangs, because even though they don't look like bangs, they're really short. And that is how you style an Impa wig from The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe for more content like this, and if there's any wigs you want me to do a tutorial of, leave a comment and tell me what wig I should do next. And also, as I'm filming this, I'm thinking about doing wig commissions. This one being my first.